Oh, what's cracking? A YouTube Shorts. Back again with another Lost Origins pack. Let's see if we can get something from this pack. Here we go. Can you see that there? There we go. How about this? Let's not do a card trick. Let's see if no card trick can change our fate. Here we go. Let's see what we can get. Polyrough and, oh, a Gratina V. Very nice. There we go, guys. Little hit today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.